Welcome to English class. In this video, you will learn articles a, an, the. We use these articles before noun. What is a noun? Answer. A noun is a person, thing, place, or an animal. Look at these examples. A person is a noun. A door is a noun or anything. An elephant is a noun. That's mean a person, thing, place, or an animal. These are nouns. Articles a and an. We use these articles when we talk about any one thing for first time. Look at these examples. It is a bag. Bag is a noun, one thing, and we use a article before noun. Example number 2. He is a boy. Boy is a noun, and we use a article before noun. Next example. This is a school. School is a noun, so we use a article before noun. Remember one thing. We always use a article when we talk about any one thing for first time. So we use article a before noun. Article an. Note, we use an article in front of vowel. There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. We use an article before these vowels. Example, it's an ice cream. Did you notice I is a vowel, so we use an article. It's an elephant. E is a vowel, so we use an article. It's an orange. O is a vowel, so we use an. Orange is a noun as well. It's an ant. Ant is a noun, and a is a vowel, so we use an. Look at these examples: an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Now let's use the article in sentences. Note, we use the article first when we talk about a specific thing. And secondly, we use the article when we talk about the same thing that we have talked before. And third, we use the article when we talk about one and only thing, just one. Let's use the article in examples. Example number 1. The waiter is very kind. So did you notice? We used the article. We're talking about the waiter. That's mean a specific person, not a common. We're indicating the waiter. Second example. I saw an unicorn. The unicorn was lovely. In first sentence, we talk about the first thing. I saw an unicorn. But in second sentence, we're talking about the same thing again. In first sentence, we talked about an unicorn, the first thing, but in second sentence, we talked about the second thing. Similar example, I have a cat. The cat is cute. In first sentence, we talked about the first thing, but in second sentence, we talked about the same thing again. So we use the article. I have a cat. The cat is cute. Another example, the sun is shining. Note, we use the sun because sun is just one only thing according to rule, because there is no another sun. So that's why we use the sun. Quiz time. Now it's your turn to practice. Fill in the blanks. Sentence number 1. I have blank new mobile phone. Which article should we use? I will give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a new mobile phone because we're talking about the first thing. Second sentence, she has blank orange. Which article should we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And she has an orange because O is a vowel sound. Sentence number 3. I bought a bag. Blank bag is fancy. Which article should we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The article, because in second sentence we're talking about the same thing again. So this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Watch next this video and learn daily routines English vocabulary with pictures.